Level 1, the first meeting. The man sitting across from you is worth $4 billion. And right now, his hands are shaking so hard he can't even pick up his scotch. You're not pointing a gun at him, and you didn't break into his penthouse. He invited you here because you just handed him a folder containing a single encrypted USB drive that proves he's been laundering money for a regime that officially doesn't exist. Level 2, who you really are, you're not a lawyer, not a spy, not a hacker, at least not just one of those things. You're all of them combined. You're an information broker, and in a world where everyone has something to hide, you're the one who owns the keys to every closet. Level 3, the beginning. You don't wake up one day with dirt on a senator. It starts small, almost like a beginner in the hacking world. You look for the unpatched holes in people's lives, a public record that doesn't add up, a social media post that reveals a location someone wasn't supposed to be at. You learn to read patterns. A CEO visiting the same apartment every Tuesday at 10 p.m. You notice the details everyone else ignores. Level 4, the fixer stage. Once you collect a few secrets, you move up. Now you're the fixer. This is where the money starts. Someone calls you when their son gets into a drunk driving accident, or a business partner is about to expose fraud. You don't just fix the problem, you document it. You keep the evidence stored in a digital vault, encrypted across servers in multiple countries. Level 5, the real currency. This is your insurance, because in this world, trust doesn't exist. The only currency is mutually assured destruction. If you fall, they fall with you. Level 6, the big leagues. Now imagine a media mogul hires you. He's being blackmailed. He pays you $3 million upfront. You solve his problem, but you keep a copy. Now he doesn't just pay for your service. He pays for your silence. You start charging by the secret. 6 figures for a scandal. 7 figures if it leads to prison. 8 figures if it can shake the global economy. Level 7, becoming a ghost. At the top, you become invisible. You move between safe houses. Your identity is fake. You assume every phone is tapped. Every room is bugged. You influence elections, move stock markets just by choosing when a file leaks. Level 8, the truth. But here's what no one tells you. It's lonely. At this level, you don't have friends. You have assets and liabilities. You're worth millions, but you can't sleep. You're always waiting for your own system to turn against you. You've protected monsters and watched innocent people suffer because it was profitable. You realize you're trapped in a soft prison of your own making. Every handshake feels like a setup. Every meal could be poisoned. Final level, the reality. That's the life of an information broker. It's not about data, it's about power. The power to burn everything down whenever you choose. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because we're going to keep exploring these hidden worlds that most people never get to see.